And there you can see, you can't see it because I got this canopy here. But it's working. Let me get a better view. It's working. I like it. Now I just gotta get me some auto louvers. This way, when it's not running, it'll, because it's got a temperature switch. But this way, when it's running, they'll open up, and then when it's not running, they'll close. She is working. I can hear the fog machines running right now. It's working exactly the way I want it. I'm happy with that. Alright, catch you on a bit.